The original CJ's Butter All Natural Shea Butter by the original CJ's Butter is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. CJ's Butter, Shea Butter Balm 6 ounces tube. Plus CJ's Butter Shea Butter Balm Plus Blend combines the benefits of CJ's Butter Blend with ingredients that naturally treat fungal problems. The neem oil and sesame oil in the Plus Blend are effective against yeast-based skin irritations and diaper rashes. You can also use it on thrush athlete's foot cradle cap and psoriasis. The balm can be used for diaper rash whether you use cloth diapers or disposable diapers. It has no sulfates, parabens, phthalates or gluten and it is recommended by pediatricians. To use, apply a liberal amount over the affected areas. Discontinue use if the condition gets worse or persists more than 7 days. Ingredients: organic Butyrspermum parkii, shea, butter, cocos nucifera, coconut, oil olearapia fruit, olive, oil theobroma cacao seed, cocoa butter citric acid, Sera alba, beeswax, Sesamum indicum, sesame, seed oil Melia azadirachta, neem, seed oil tocopherol, vitamin E. Derived from soy CJ's Butter Shea Butter Balm 6 ounces tube, plus formula with neem and sesame oils. Treat fungal skin problems naturally. Use for yeast rash, thrush, cradle foot, athlete's foot, eczema, psoriasis and more. No sulfates, parabens, phthalates or gluten. Safe on cloth and disposable diapers.